9 dots that are there on the top right corner, we call it Google Apps Home. You click on that and search for slides. So I have slides over here. I'll click on slides. Once I click on slides, Google Slides homepage will open in front of you. It will show you a blank presentation, a few templates, and the recent presentations that you have opened already. So we'll start with a blank presentation. Once I click the big plus sign written over there, a blank presentation will open in front of me. So first thing that you do once the presentation is opened is rename the presentation. So it is named as Untitled. We need to learn is how to add a slide. Now this is a slides pane. This is a slide that is showed. Now how to add a slide? Over here, just below the name on the left hand corner of the new slides. You also have a shortcut key that is Ctrl plus M to add a new slide to the presentation. When you click on this plus sign, a new slide has been added. Now there is a layout for each slide. Now this is a title slide, that is the first slide. So it has a option, or it has a placeholder. This box is called as a placeholder. So it has a placeholder for title and a subtitle. So there are two placeholders. So if you want to type something, you can directly click on the placeholder and start typing. So suppose I want to make a presentation of internet. So I will write over here internet. So this is my title. As in subtitle, I can write my name over here. The second slide has a little bit different layout. It has a title and a place to add text. So each slide has a different layout, and in a presentation there are so many different layouts. Now if you want to see what are the different layouts, just beside this plus sign there is a small arrow. When you click on that arrow, see, these are the layouts that I was talking about. You can choose from this layout. So now when you want to add a slide, and if you have a layout in mind, you can directly click on this arrow and select a layout. Now suppose I want to add a layout, this section title and description. So I can directly click on this and a new slide will be added with the particular layout. So till now we learned how to open a presentation, then how to name a presentation, then how to add text to a presentation. We also learned how to add a slide with the same layout in a presentation. We also learned how to add slide with a particular layout in a presentation, or with a different layout in a presentation. Now there is one more option for you to add a slide to a presentation. Now suppose I want to add a slide after the second slide. So I can directly click on the slide number 2 in this slides pane over here on the left hand side and click enter after that. Once I click enter, see, another slide has been added over here with the same layout as that of slide number 2. If I want to add a slide after slide number 4 and pay attention to the layout of slide number 4, I clicked on the slide number 4 in slides pane and then I'll click enter. Now as you can see, one more slide has been added, that is slide number 4, and the layout of slide number 4, as you can see in front of you, is the same like slide number 4. So what I wanted to say is when you want to add a slide with the same layout as a previous slide, you can directly click on enter on that slide and a new slide with the same layout will be added. Now the next thing that we need to learn is how to add a picture or how to add an image in a slide. So there are two options to do that. You can click, these are the menus that you all know. We have already learned that. File, edit, view, insert, format, slide, arrange, tools, add-ons and help. Now among this, the most important one is the insert one, because you can insert so many different things you get using this option. Now when I click on insert, I get to see the first option is image. So whenever I want to add an image, I have few options. That is upload from computer, search the web. You can directly add from Drive. You can directly add from Google Photos. You can directly add by the URL of the picture on web. Then you can also directly add by camera. That is the webcam of your laptop or computer. So let's learn how to add an image from a computer or add from the web. So let's see first the web. Now suppose I want to add a picture. I'll click on search the web. Now over here I'll get Google Images option. See over here on the top right corner it's written search for images. So I'll type my topic, that is internet. So suppose I am making a presentation on internet, so I'll write internet and click on. So there are so many different images that are related to internet. So let's select this one. This looks nice. So when I click on this image and click on insert, as you can see the image has come on the slide that was open. So whenever you want to add an image to any slide, you can do so. You can also change the size of this image from here. Click on the image and from the side border, can you see the arrow has been changed? Yes. So from here you can directly resize the image or reduce the image so that everything can fit in one placeholder. See, like this. You can also add a title over here, add a subtitle over here and keep the image over here. Next thing that we need to learn is how to insert an image from your device. So click on upload from computer. When you do that, a new open dialog box will open in front of you. Now on desktop there are no images, so you can go to pictures. In the picture there might be many images that are there. You can click on any of the image that you want to add and then click on open. Once you do that, the image will come. Okay, I'll show you once again how to upload the image from your computer. So you will click on insert. Once you click on insert, click on image and then click on upload from computer. When you do that, the open dialog box has been opened. Now on desktop I have added or saved a picture of my choice. Now I'll click on advantages of internet because I want to add this picture and then click on open button. So when I do that, see, the picture that I wanted to add has come on the screen. I can also again resize this picture however I want to and place it somewhere over here like this. So we have learned how to add a picture from the web or search from the web, and then we have learned how to add a picture from your computer or device also. Now there is one more option for you to add a picture from, that is on the toolbars. This is the toolbar. So over here, see, there is an option called insert image. When you click on that option, the same options like the insert menu are given to you. So you can also use this option instead of going to insert and then going to image. So you can use upload from computer, search the web. Either way you which like. I hope it was clear enough for you how to create a presentation, how to add text, how to add a slide with the same layout, how to add a slide with different layout, and how to add a picture to a slide.